India's healthcare and pharmaceutical industry is growing at a rapid pace, driven by an expanding population, increasing health awareness, and continuous innovation in medical technology. For MSMEs, this sector offers a wealth of opportunities, especially as demand for affordable healthcare solutions continues to rise. Let's explore 5 lucrative business ideas for MSMEs in the Indian healthcare and pharmaceutical industry that can not only tap into this growth, but also ensure sustainable success. Number 1. IV fluids, a life-saving essential with growing demand. The Indian IV solutions market is on an upward trajectory, expected to grow at CAGR of 9 to 10%, reaching nearly $900 million by 2030. The rising number of hospitalizations, increased surgical procedures, and the need for emergency care solutions are driving this demand. IV cannulas, a crucial part of the administration process, are also seeing steady growth with a 6% CAGR. Opportunities for MSMEs. Specialized solutions cater to niche markets such as pediatric IV fluids, electrolyte solutions for dengue and diarrhea, or customized formulations for specific health conditions. Small-scale manufacturing, setting up a GMP-compliant facility catering to regional hospitals can offer faster delivery and lower costs compared to large manufacturers. Distribution and supply. Efficient distribution networks, especially in rural and semi-urban areas, are crucial. Cold chain logistics expertise can be a game changer. However, stringent regulatory compliance is essential, and competition from major players is significant. MSMEs that build strong relationships with hospitals and clinics can carve out a profitable niche. Number 2. Paracetamol, a household staple with high market demand. The Indian OTC pain relief market, where paracetamol dominates, is growing at a 6 to 8% annual rate, driven by its widespread use for fever and pain relief. It remains a staple in every household, clinic, and pharmacy, ensuring steady demand. Opportunities for MSMEs. Regional branding. Create a strong local brand with an emphasis on affordability and fast relief. Regional language packaging can boost trust and sales. Diversified formulations. Expand beyond tablets to include syrups, capsules, and drops for children to cater to different consumer preferences. Retail and distribution. Building a strong supply chain to reach local pharmacies and general stores can set an MSMEs apart. The key challenge here is intense competition from established brands. However, MSMEs can stand out by focusing on cost-effective production, smart branding, and regional market penetration. Number 3. Tablets, capsules, and syrups, the backbone of the pharma industry. India's pharmaceutical market, expected to grow at CAGR of 9 to 10%, heavily relies on the production of tablets, capsules, and syrups. These common dosage forms dominate the industry, making them a lucrative area for MSMEs. Opportunities for MSMEs. Contract manufacturing. Many pharma companies outsource manufacturing. MSMEs can specialize in small batch, high-quality production of niche drugs. Generic drug manufacturing. Producing off-patent medicines with high demand in regional markets can ensure consistent sales. Ayurvedic herbal formulations. With growing consumer interest in natural medicine, standardized, quality-controlled herbal formulations present an exciting market opportunity. Regulatory approvals and quality control are critical, but once established, are well-structured. MSMEs can become a trusted supplier in the industry. Number 4. Nutraceuticals and dietary supplements, the fastest growing segment. The Indian nutraceuticals market is among the fastest growing healthcare sectors, with CAGR of 12 to 15%, fueled by increased health consciousness, social media influence, and shifting consumer lifestyles. Opportunities for MSMEs. Specialized products. MSMEs can focus on high-demand niches like sports nutrition, weight management, diabetes care, and women's health supplements. Ayurvedic and herbal supplements. India's rich tradition of Ayurveda can be leveraged to create unique, scientifically backed herbal formulations. Private labeling. Small manufacturers can produce and package supplements for other brands, allowing them to market the products under their own labels. This sector requires strong branding, regulatory compliance, and consumer education. But high margins and growing demand make it a fantastic opportunity. Number 5. Veterinary medicines, a rising market for animal healthcare. India's pet care industry is booming with CAGR of 10 to 12%, driven by increased pet ownership and growing livestock production. Veterinary medicines for livestock also see steady demand due to the country's large dairy and poultry industries. Opportunities for MSMEs. Specialized veterinary products cater to niche needs such as pet dermatology, cardiology, or livestock antibiotics. Regional distribution. Supplying rural and semi-urban areas where access to veterinary medicines is limited can be highly profitable. Direct sales and branding, partnering with veterinary clinics, pet stores, and online platforms can create a loyal customer base. Since regulations for animal drugs are stringent, ensuring compliance and product quality is key. However, with the increasing focus on pet health and livestock productivity, this sector offers high growth potential. Conclusion. Seize the opportunity in healthcare and pharma. The Indian healthcare and pharmaceutical industry presents immense opportunities for MSMEs, from life-saving IV fluids to high-demand generic medicines and innovative nutraceuticals. By focusing on quality, regulatory compliance, and strategic market positioning, small businesses can tap into this multi-billion-dollar sector and build a thriving enterprise. If you're ready to start your business, we can assist you with feasibility studies, market research, regulatory guidance, and financial planning. Contact us through the phone number or email in the description, and don't forget to subscribe for more insights on profitable business opportunities.